Hey traders, we recently updated our website, and this also changed the way how you can update your machine ID. So, for example, I will open NinjaTrader, and you can see I have no license for the indicator that I have plotted. So if I go back to the website, of course you have to register with your email when you purchase the order duplicator or a different indicator with. Then you press on this icon. You go to your dashboard. In your dashboard, obviously, you can see your purchase articles. And here you have the download button. It's good to remember. But for now, we go to settings and we have the machine ID. So this is the machine ID which you entered during purchase. I will change it now back because for this example, I deleted 2 numbers. Then I will update my machine ID. I'll wait till this is finished. Get the message, machine ID is updated. So I will open a NinjaTrader again, give it a couple of seconds because it needs to update our license system. Then with the right mouse, I can press on the screen and I press on Reload NinjaScript or I press on F5 on the keyboard. Now we're reloaded and you can see the license is active. This is a successful change. If you have any problems with changing the machine ID, please let us know and we can help you with this.